operate an automatic washing machine. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to use an automatic washing machine. First is you'll have to check for the voltage. Second is plug it in. Turn on the faucet. Next is you have to open the washing machine so that you can load the dirty clothes. Put dirty clothes. Fifth, you'll have to add a detergent powder and fabric conditioner. Next is close the washing machine. Turn it on and press the power button. Now it's on, and then we adjust loaded 5 pieces of clothes. So we'll adjust the water level, so put it on 4 liters. Next will be on program. So since we put a little clothes, we will just choose a quick wash, but in other washing machine, the choices are normal, pre-wash, delicate, quick, and so you will choose normal. And then press the start button. So we're done. So just have to wait until the washing machine will finish. This is how to operate the automatic washing machine.